Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a sunglasses holder accessory that mounts to this roof area of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. Let's get into it. So jumping straight away into the product, I got this sunglass holder from Yeslac. I appreciate them sending it over to me. Been working with them for a while and they're a great company, make a lot of awesome Tesla accessories. The product comes with a trim tool to help us install it. And let's jump right into taking a look at what it comes with. So this is the actual little holder we're going to be installing up at the roof of my Model Y. First off, it has a really nice kind of Alcantara fabric, a nice kind of felt fabric all around it. And I really like that. It's really nice. It's going to blend right into the roof really well. This also comes in a black color. If you'd rather kind of match the black up around your rearview mirror, that's fine too. I went with this kind of cream gray color. I think it looks really sharp. On the inside, that fabric kind of continues all the way through. It's nice and soft, will help protect your sunglasses there. And then look at this, it has a nice magnetic enclosure. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a nice magnet. No latch, no kind of latching system up here to break or come loose every once in a while. Just a nice kind of magnet enclosure. Very sturdy magnet. It's not going to come loose when you're driving down the road, going over bumps. So I think it's really cool. It's a really nice product, has a little chrome accent here, a little mirrored accent to make it kind of stand out. But let's get this installed and I'll show you guys exactly where it installs and how it looks. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm working with here, but this is a super simple install. You might not even need the trim tool. So on the back of it, it has two little tabs kind of for right here, and they're going to fit right in this little latch here, right in front of your lights and your emergency hazard button. And then this other little latch, which is going to fit up on your roof glass here. So I'm just going to kind of line up that top part first and then come down here and simply just line up those two little latches and put them into like kind of a little plastic trim piece right before my light here. And that's pretty much it right there. It's kind of installed. I'm just going to center it, make sure it looks nice. And there you go. Let me move the camera around so you guys can see how it looks here. You get a nice kind of install. It's not blocking any of your lights or anything like that. And then you get a nice little sunglasses holder right in the middle of your Model Y. Open it, easily put your sunglasses in it. Closes with a magnet. Looks really, really sharp. So now that we have the sunglass holder installed up on the roof kind of area of our Model Y, you can kind of see how it fits. It doesn't block anything. I still have access to all my controls back under here. And it looks really nice. I love the white kind of Alcantara fabric. I think it matches the interior really well. It's up out of the way. Looks really sharp. Let's test it with lots of different sunglasses and see what kind of fits. My wife and I don't wear huge sunglasses. Some people really like the big old sunglasses that fit over your whole face. Those obviously won't fit in here. It's going to be too small for that. My sunglasses, however, fit just fine. I have a nice pair of kind of some nicer sunglasses here. If I put them in, close it, fits perfectly. Easily pull it down with one finger with the magnet, holds it up there really nice and tight. So mine fit really well. I have some of my wife's sunglasses here. Kind of some wireframe ones. Pop those in. Might be a little thick. Let's see here. Oh, turn them over and they fit just fine too. So just kind of turn them over face down and they fit really well. Okay. Perfect. Let's see. Any other big ones? I got some sunglasses here for my kid. You know, if you want to keep those up out of the way, they fit as well. So every sunglasses that we use here as a family are going to fit really fine in this. Like I said, it's not a huge space. Any large sunglasses like aviators probably won't fit. And any of the kind of super trendy, larger style sunglasses won't fit either now. But if you just like slim wire sunglasses, I think they'll fit great. Well, that about wraps up this video. I really like this sunglass holder from Yeslac. I think it makes a lot of sense. It's in a really nice, convenient location. And I think it really matches the car well. I wish it might be just a little bit bigger to hold some of those bigger style sunglasses. But for the ones that I wear and my family wears, it's really great. It works awesome. I think we're going to get a lot of use out of it. I love the white color, the soft fabric all the way around it, and the soft fabric inside. Seems to really protect those sunglasses and keep them scratch free. Better than rolling around inside my center console here anyway. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're interested in this product from Yeslac, a link will be down in the description to it. As well as if you do buy this product, make sure to use my discount code, Gamble1080. This product's normally about $40 and using my discount code will drop it all the way down to under $30. So no brainer. Use my discount code. Makes a lot of sense. Thank you guys again for watching. A link to all the other products that I've reviewed on this channel will be down in the description in my link tree as well. So make sure you check out that link tree. Just click on it, mobile or computer. It'll have all the products in different categories that I reviewed on the channel. Every product in that link tree has another review video, So make sure you check out all the videos on the channel, as well as that link tree. Really helps out the channel a lot if you order anything through there. Appreciate you guys coming back. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.